the person's self-introduction. Indu, please stop your screen share. Yes. Who will give the self-introduction for today? Monica raised, Anjali, Sandhya. I'm waiting for another new person. K. Naga Venkata. Okay, please unmute your mic and please tell about yourself. Yes. Unmute your mic, Naga Venkata. Naga Venkata Lakshmi. Yes, tell about yourself, Naga Venkata Lakshmi. Tell your self-introduction. Please tell your self-introduction. Still any more? Inka evaru cheptaru about your self-introduction? Somebody named computer raised your hand. Please rename. Okay, you can unmute and you can tell about yourself. What's your name? Gayatri, you can unmute.
Madam.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, Gayatri. Yes, Gayatri.
Madam, can I, madam?
Yes, Gayatri, you can.
My name is V. Sushmita. I'm
Yes, Sushmita, okay. Yes.
Sorry, madam.
It's okay, okay.
I'm studying my second year BPC in Wildpad PVC Junior College, which is in Chittoor district. My mother name is Indiravati. My father name is V. Ramesh, and I have a elder sister. My hobbies are collecting stamps, reading books, listening songs.
Listening to music, okay.
Madam, it's like listening English songs.
Listening English songs, okay.
Yes, madam.
Can you sing a song for us?
Madam,
yes,
I will.
Can you sing a song?
My voice is not good in this phone, madam.
Madam.
Okay.
Yes.
My name is.
Just a minute, Sushmita. Just a minute.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
My name is Suresh.
Sushmita, please unmute your mic and you can continue. Yes.
Madam, can I talk about my role model?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Smita, okay, you prepared about your role model. Just
madam.
please give me 10 more minutes and after that, I'll conduct that session to speak, okay?
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
That session, you can speak. That's all about yourself. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Sushmita, let's wait for 10 minutes.
Okay,
We'll go
madam.
into that activity. Okay, please mute your mic.
Yes,
Yes, Mohan Kumar, you raised your hand. Unmute your mic. Mohan Kumar. Lokesh. Yes, Lokesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
You can unmute your mic and tell about yourself.
My name is M. Lokesh, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm studying senior BPC Government Junior College of Vardayapalam in Chittoor district, ma'am. My mother name is Mallishwari. My father name is Venkat Subbaya. I have three younger sisters. I have one elder brother. My hobbies is listening songs, reading books, playing games, etc. Ma'am.
Okay, what is your strength, Lokesh?
My strength is my strength is my study, ma'am.
Okay.
My
Okay, you
weakness is my
study very
mom.
hard. Yes, very hard. Yes, hard work is your strength. And what is your aim? What do you want to become?
My aim is good actor or agriculture, ma'am.
Okay, you want to become an agriculturalist and a good actor.
Ma'am. I'm interested for
Yes,
acting.
that's a very unique goal. And to be an agriculturalist, okay, to be a farmer, you want to become a farmer. Yes, that's so good to hear.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best, Lokesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. And small corrections are there when you are telling about your family background. While
Yeah.
telling your father's name and mother's name, you should say, my father's name is Mr. and
Yeah,
my
ma'am.
mother's name is Mrs. And when coming to about your hobbies, so you said 2 hobbies. It is a plural thing. So you should use are. My hobbies are. Okay,
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
should not use my hobbies. Okay, when you are talking about plural, you have to use are.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. And Arvind Kumar, you raised your hand. Please unmute yourself and tell about yourself. Unmute your mic. Arvind, Ram Charan Teja,
Hi, madam. Good
unmute
morning.
your mic and you can tell.
Hello,
Yes,
madam.
Ram Charan. Yes. Yes.
Madam, my name my name is Ramcharan, madam. I am
Okay.
studying to second year HEC group
Hmm.
in Ravikonda,
Hmm.
Anantapur,
Hmm.
Andhra Pradesh, madam.
Okay, in Anantapur district. Yes. Okay. What's your
My father
father's
name is
name?
my father my father name is Lalswa, madam.
My father's name. My father's name is Mr.
Mr. Lalswami, madam. My
Okay.
father Mrs. is Ashmi Devi, madam.
My mother's name is. You have to say my mother's name is Mrs.
My mother name is Mrs. Lashmi Devi.
Mrs. Okay. Yes.
Hi, madam.
Your aim? What is your goal? What do you want to become? Ram Charan, మీరేం అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు? What do you want to become?
I am teacher, madam.
So then you should say, I want to become a teacher. Please repeat it with me. Become a teacher. Chappandi again.
Become a teacher, madam.
I want to become a teacher.
I want to become a teacher, madam.
Okay. All the best for your goal and be prepared. Okay, Ram Charan. Yes,
yes, ma'am.
Arvind.
Hi, madam. Good morning, madam. My name is.
Okay, Ram Charan. Please mute your mic. Yes, Arvind.
My name is B. Arvind Kumar, madam. Study from.
Tell about yourself, Arvind.
My
No
name
need to
is.
say madam. No need to say madam for your every sentence.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. My name is Arvind
Yes.
Kumar, madam. Study from Government Junior College, Kalyandurg, madam, Anantapur district. Second year computer science, madam.
Okay, yes.
Mm,
Then you should say, I am studying second year computer science in which college? Government Junior College, Anantapur, in Anantapur district.
Anantapur district, madam.
Okay.
Kalyandurg.
So tell, what is your father's name? What is your father's name?
My father name is Mr. Durgappa, madam. My mother name is Mrs. Lakshmi Devi, madam.
మేడం అని చెప్పక్కర్లేదమ్మా, మేడం అని చెప్పక్కర్లేదు ప్రతి వర్డ్ ప్రతి సెంటెన్స్ కి. ఓకే,
My goal is.
వాట్ డు యు వాంట్ టు బికమ్, అరవింద్?
My goal is white hacker, madam.
సారీ, విచ్ వన్? వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ గోల్?
White hacker.
White hacker. Can you tell something about it? What do you mean by white hacker? Even I don't know that.
అంటే హ్యాక్ ప్రూఫ్ అంటే ఏదైనా సిస్టమ్స్ కానీ ఎవరైనా
Okay, you want to become an ethical hacker. Okay, hacker. Okay, you're working on that. Yes,
Yes,
good to hear. All the best, Arvind.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
Okay. Please mute your mic. Yes, Sunil or Yamini.
Madam, good morning, madam.
Yes, who is this? Sunil.
Sunil, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Yes,
My name is
yes.
B. Sunil.
Okay.
I am studying MPC English medium in Government Junior College at Urakonda district, Mandal. My father name is Mr. Iranna. My mother name is Mrs. Malikamma. I want to become an engineer. I have an elder brother. His name is Anil Kumar. My role model is my math teacher, who has worked in
Your maths teacher.
yes, ma'am. Who has worked in my school life. Math teacher. His name is
Yes.
Prabhakar Sar Garu. That's it, ma'am.
Prabhakar sir. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sunil. That's good to hear. Thank you. Mute your mic. Okay. And Naga Venkata Lakshmi, you raised your hand. Yamini, you raised your hand.
Good
And
morning, ma'am.
Lokesh. Yes, Yamini.
This is Yamni.
Yes, madam.
Studying in GJC Girls Guntur district. And my father's name is Mr. Venkata Srinivas. And my mother's name is Mrs. Kanakadurga Srinivas. And I'm having an elder sister. Her name is Vaishnavi. And she's studying 3rd year BSc. And my hobbies are singing and dancing and reading books. And my strength is hardworking and self-confidence. And I believe in myself that I can do anything. And my inspiration are my parents, who struggled a lot for me to give us education. And my goal is to become a doctor and give free treatment to the poor people like us. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, so good to hear, Yamini. You took an inspiration
Thank you,
as your
ma'am.
father and mother. And so good to hear about your goal. Yamini, you belong to which district?
Guntur district, ma'am.
Guntur district. Yes, so nice to hear. Okay, thank you,
ma'am.
Yamini. Yamini, can you sing a song for us, as it is your hobby?
Ma'am?
Can you sing a song for us, as it is your hobby?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, please, you're welcome.
పిడినే పోసి నీలో రంగులు పూసి నీ కడుపున నువ్వు చేసి బొమ్మే నేనమ్మా ఏ రాతల్ని రాసాడో నానూరేళ్ళు ఆ బ్రహ్మ నీ పొత్తిల్లు లేకుంటే జన్మే లేదమ్మా అమ్మా అని పిలిచే శబ్దం ఓంకారమమ్మా అమ్మాను రూపం కన్నా దైవం లేదమ్మా నీ ఊపిరినే పోసి నీలో రంగులు పూసి నీ కడుపున నువ్వు చేసి బొమ్మే నేనమ్మా గాయం చేసి పుట్టానమ్మా నీ దేహానికి గుండెల్లోనే నన్ను దాచే గుణం నీదిలే గోరుముద్దలో ప్రేమ జోల పాటలో ప్రేమ దేవుడైన చూసేనా లేనే లేదమ్మా అమ్మా అని పిలిచే శబ్దం ఓంకారమమ్మా అమ్మాను రూపం కన్నా దైవం లేదమ్మా థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్.
Thank you, Yamini. So good to hear. Your voice is so sweet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Chandrika. Yeah, you can unmute your mic and tell about yourself, Chandrika. Chandrika, Lokesh.
Madam, good morning, madam.
You can unmute. Yes, good morning, Lokesh. Tell about yourself.
Madam, this is Lokesh, madam.
You should not say this is Lokesh. You should say I am or my name is. Okay, when you are going with
Okay,
a
madam.
formal self-introduction, you should say I am
Okay,
or
madam.
my name is. Okay, continue, Lokesh.
Yes, my name is Lokesh, madam. I am from Anantapur Government Junior College.
Hmm.
I am studying inter second year MPC.
In MPC, okay.
My father name is Mr. Chandra. My mother name is Mrs. Dhanunjaya Bai.
Hmm.
And I have 2 sisters and 1 brother, madam.
Hmm.
Uh,
So what is your aim?
I want studying, madam, inter second year, madam.
Okay, what is your aim? What is your goal? What do you want to become?
I want to become a police officer, madam.
Oh, good.
Yeah, madam. I want to become
So
a
who is
police
your
officer.
inspiration?
Madam,
Who is your inspiration? Who is your role model?
madam.
No one. No one is there.
Yes, ma'am. So many guys there.
So many guys, so many friends are there. Okay.
Madam. I like songs, madam.
You like songs. What are you? So what is your hobby?
My hobby is songs and
Okay, Lokesh. Okay. Thank you.
and volleyball also, madam.
Okay, you play volleyball. Okay, so good.
Yes, madam. Volleyball and cricket.
Lokesh, all the best for
Yes,
your
madam.
goal. All the best for your goal.
Yes, thank you, madam.
Please mute your mic. Okay. So today we'll listen. We heard so many self-introductions. That's so good to hear. So you're all participating very well. And I'll give the chance in the next session for those people who raised your hands. Inka chala mandi raise chesaru. I'll give the chance in the next session. Okay. So today we have another activity. Already I told to prepare a few lines about your role model or about your favorite family person. So how many members have prepared? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Yes, Sushmita. You can unmute yourself and tell about your role model.
Madam, can I, madam?
Yes, Sushmita, start.
Good morning to everyone. A very warm welcome to our today's session. Today, I'm here to tell about my role model, the reasons which inspired me a lot from my role model. My mother is my biggest role model. She is the only person I saw with that much of patience and that much of hardworking nature. The reason why I choose my mother as my role model is she has so many good qualities and values like being a strong woman, supportive, spiritual. It is the most important description of her personality. My mother is the strongest person I've ever seen. After passing of my dad, she brought me up with so much of love and affection. She is the only person who is there at all my ups and downs till now. She's like my motivator. So I think there is no need to seek people as my role model. The reason why I choose my mother as my role model is I have been learning so much from my mother. like being patient at hard times, never losing hope, spreading positiveness, never giving upness, adjustment, hardworking nature, sacrificing for her family, how to talk and how to behave in society. And I think every mother is a sacrificer for their children and for their family. She is the only person who serve everything we need without expecting anything from me, except a particular time and a little love. And she's so friendly towards me. Madam, I'm very shy to say this in front of my mother, so I'm telling this now. Amma, I'm nothing without you. I'll be zero without you. And I'm really blessed to have a mother like you in my life. I love you more than you know and more than you think. Uh, Friends, I really want to share this with all of you. We are very lucky to have a parents like them. Please, being their children, the only duty of ours is being affectionate towards them, and always remember they are becoming old and weak only to give us what we want. So please, when they became old, I'm requesting you, all of you, to take care of them at their hard situations, hard times, whatever the situation, and whoever the new people arrives in our lives. Don't forget our parents. It's our responsibility to care of them in their old times. And this is what I want to share with all of you. Please accept my apologies if there any grammar mistakes or anybody get hurts with my words. And thank you for this great opportunity, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sushmita. And that's a very big clap to you. Excellent. You have given
Thank
a
you,
very
madam.
good speech about your role model, that is about your mother.
Yes,
And
madam.
we don't care about any grammar mistakes. Okay. So
Thank
first
you,
of
madam.
all, you have communicated very confidently and in a very nice way. You
Thank
told
you,
about
madam.
your mother in a very beautiful way, and very big appreciation to you.
Thank you,
Okay. The
madam. Thank you so much.
first participant, yeah, you are the first participant who spoke about nearly about 3 to 5 minutes in this session, and applause to you.
Thank
Keep
you,
it
madam.
up.
Thank you so much. Thank you, madam.
Yes,
Madam,
yes.
can I
Uh,
myself, madam?
sorry?
Can I mute my mic, madam, now?
Yes, yes, you can mute your mic. And
And
lucky boy Shiva, please stop your screen share. Don't touch the
madam,
screen.
once again, thank you for giving this great opportunity, madam.
Yes, Sushmita, that's so nice of you.
Thank you.
And this is to inform you all. You have to prepare one video for 3 to 5 minutes. At least for 5 minutes, you have to give your self introduction. So మనం ఒక 5 minutes video అన్నది ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. ఆ 5 minutes లో స్టార్టింగ్ 1 minute you have to give your self introduction. సో మనం సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి అని అన్నది మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. సో 1 to 1.5 minute వరకు ఆ సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ ఇచ్చి, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ 3 minutes మీకు ఇష్టమైన టాపిక్ తీసుకోండి. వెదర్ అబౌట్ దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ యువర్ రోల్ మోడల్, or you can tell about your friend, or you can tell about your family, and or you can tell about your aim. Okay, about your village, about your favorite place, or about your vacation. You can speak on any of the topic. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఒక 1 minute మనం సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ కోసం మాట్లాడాలి, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 4 minutes మీరు ఒక టాపిక్ మీద మాట్లాడండి. దట్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడితే ఇంకా ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ గుడ్. సో హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ ప్రిపేర్ ద వీడియో? మీకు ఒక డ్రైవ్ షేర్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. విత్ ఇన్ 2 to 3 days మీరు ఒక వీడియో కానీ ప్రిపేర్ చేసినట్లయితే మనం ఆ డ్రైవ్ లో మనం షేర్ చేయొచ్చు. సో మన సెషన్ నుంచి ఇంతమంది ఇన్ని వీడియోస్ చేయడం వల్ల, సో వాట్ యు లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ సెషన్స్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ కంప్లీట్లీ అబౌట్ కమ్యూనికేటివ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. సో మనం ముందు అన్నది మనం కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా ఒకటి మాట్లాడి ఒక వీడియో ట్రై చేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, హూ విల్ గివ్ ఎ ట్రై? Who will give it try? We are ready to prepare the video. Sai Kumar, KGJC, MKPM. Yeah, that's so nice. So please prepare the video. I'm expecting at least 10 videos within 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Yes, Sushmita, Shailaja. Yes. So మీరు అది ఎట్లా కూర్చుని ఉంటారు అని అంటే మీ మొబైల్ అన్నది మీ ఫ్రెండ్ ని పెట్టుకోండి, మీరు కూర్చోండి. లైక్ it could be a selfie video or otherwise ask your friends to take the video, to shoot the video. మీరు ఒక చైర్ లో కూర్చోవడమో లేకపోతే నించొని చేసిన ఒక హాఫ్ వరకు కవర్ అయ్యేటట్టుగా ఒక వీడియో ప్రిపేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఆన్ మండే I'll show an example video. In these 2 days, try to prepare the content. Okay, ఈ 2 days లోని మీరు ఈ రోజు రేపట్లో మీరు మాట్లాడాల్సిన కంటెంట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. ఆన్ మండే I'll show you an example video that how to prepare. అది చూసిన తర్వాత మీరు సేమ్ వేలో ఒక వీడియో అన్నది ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి. సో నియర్లీ 200 members are attending to our session. So can I expect 10 videos by Wednesday? Can I expect? So who are ready? Please give me a thumb. Who are ready to take the video? Please give me a thumb. Please show me the thumb mark. Yes, Sunil, Anjali. Shiva, please stop your screen share. Yes, Anjali, Shiva, Lokesh, Anusha, Sushmita also you told. Okay, so please prepare the content in a very nice way and it should be for 3 to 5 minutes. Content annadi manaki 3 to 5 minutes undali. Starting oka self introduction, next meek topic annadi 3 to 5 minutes unte it will be very good. Okay, so now yes, okay, now let's get into our session. Yes, about importance of English at social media. So first of all, what is social media? What is social media? Social media అన్న వర్డ్ మీరు వినే ఉంటారు. సో సోషల్ మీడియా అంటే ఏంటి? What is social media? Please type your answers in the chat box. Social media. What is social media? Someone is sharing the screen. Please stop the share screen. Yes. Did anybody want to tell the answer? If you want to tell the answer, please raise your hand or otherwise type your chances in the chat box. Type your answers in the chat box. What is social media? FB, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. Yes. Madam, please give me one chance, madam. Yes, Suresh. I'm a new student. Yes, Suresh. Do you want to speak? Please raise your hand once, Suresh. Suresh, please raise your hand. Nagababu sir, manaki Suresh and oka participant unnaru student. Could you please unmute him? Sir?
సెల్ఫ్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోమని మేడం. సురేష్ గారు సెల్ఫ్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి, అవుతుంది చూడండి.
Electronic communication, yes. Suresh, you can unmute yourself and please speak. Yes.
Unmute.
Yes,
సోషల్
Suresh. Yes,
సోషల్
do you want to speak?
సోషల్ మీడియా అనేది యూట్యూబ్,
Ah,
ట్విట్టర్, వాట్సాప్, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఫేస్బుక్, అదర్ యాప్స్ మేడం.
okay. ఈ అన్ని యాప్స్ తోని వీటిని సోషల్ మీడియా అంటారు. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ వెబ్సైట్స్. యూ కెన్ సో మీరు సోషల్ మీడియా యూజ్ చేసి ఏం చేయొచ్చు? వాట్ యు కెన్ డూ బై యూజింగ్ సోషల్ మీడియా?
మేడం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ మేడం.
Yes, what you can do by using social media?
న్యూస్
Social media is a computer-based technology, like
Madam?
ideas, thoughts, and information. Okay. Yes, yes, Suresh.
మేడం కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ మేడం వన్స్ అగైన్.
Okay, I'll explain. Please mute your mic. We are getting a lot of disturbance. I think you are in the classroom somewhere.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
Please mute your mic, Suresh.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Anjali, do you want to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anjali.
Social media is a computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and importance of thought, building of virtual networks, and communicates by designs. Social media is internet-based and gives our users quick electronic communication of. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, that's right. That's right, Anjali. Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Next, Chandrika, do you want to speak? Gauri. Okay. So we got so many answers like what is social media? We got answers like it's a WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook, like that. So the definition of the explanation for social media. Social media is a collective term for websites and applications which focus on communication, and that is the interaction that is used for content sharing and collaboration. సో మనకి అన్ని టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ వెబ్సైట్స్ అన్ని కలిపి ఎక్కడైతే మనం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ షేర్ చేయగలమో ఆర్ ఇన్ విచ్ ప్లేస్ వీ కెన్ కమ్యూనికేట్ విత్ అవర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో యూస్డ్ ఫర్ బిజినెస్ రిలేటింగ్ పర్పసెస్. అండ్ ఇంకా మీకున్న కంటెంట్ కూడా మనము షేర్ చేయగలుగుతాము. సో లైక్ వీఆర్ షేరింగ్ ఎ పీపీటీ హియర్, or we can share a video here. So we can able to share the content. So this is nothing but social media. And through social media, so many members will stay in touch, and we can interact with friends and family. And while other people like business people, they use the social media platforms for business networks. Okay, so this is nothing but social media. Please stop your screen share. Social media interact among which they create, share, exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. So there are some social media networks are there like LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Flickr, Netflix, Amazon, Pinterest, so many other. And we use the social media for jobs or to get any education news or test scores. you search for 10 class marks. So మన class marks అవి చెక్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు you log in website and you collected your scores, trends, curriculum changes, compensation. So for all this purpose, we use media. These are 10 most secure social media platforms. That one is, first one is Telegram, WhatsApp, Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, WeContact, Facebook, and Skype. Social tools are not giving people a voice, giving them a way to collaborate, contribute, connect. Can anybody tell about these sentences? Please take the screenshot. Yes. Could anybody explain this sentence? Could anybody explain this sentence? If yes, please type your name in the chat box, then I'll unmute you. Social tools are not just about giving people a voice, but giving them a way to collaborate, contribute, and connect. T. Divya, yes. Divya, do you want to speak? Divya, please unmute your mic and you can speak.
మ్యామ్
Yes, Divya.
మ్యామ్ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయరా ప్లీజ్.
Just a moment. Yes. So see, this is the sentence. So social tools are not just social tools are not just about giving people a voice, but giving a way to collaborate, contribute, and connect. So what do you mean by this sentence?
But
If you know the answer, you can unmute.
madam, it is all
If you know
about
the answer, you can unmute your mic and you can tell.
madam, social tools are nothing but these apps, Telegram, WhatsApp. These are, they were telling that these apps are all not giving voice, and it is the app which where the ordinary people also communicate and share their thoughts with so many of people.
Yes. Okay. They give a chance to
Yes, madam.
communicate.
Opportunity, giving opportunity.
Yes, they give us an opportunity to communicate with other.
అక్కడ వరకు పోతే వాయిస్
Yes. Social media is the thing. Yes, social media is the thing which gives us opportunity to interact with the people.
Yes, madam.
Stop the screen share. Somebody named yes, yes, thank you. That's the right answer. Yes, who is this? Who is this? Did anybody want to speak? So somebody named SBI is sharing the screen. Please ask him to stop the screen share, sir. Nagbabu, sir. Somebody named SBI, you're sharing your screen. Please don't touch that button. So we are getting a lot of disturbance.
హలో మేడం వినపడుతుంది మేడం మేడంతో మాట్లాడతాను సార్ ఏ సార్ ఇంతమంది ఉన్నారు గ్రూప్ లో
See, we use social media for many purposes. Here in this PPT, you can see it is for different types. It is useful for to publish it, the written and the visual content, and we use the social media for live sharing, video sharing, image sharing, collaboration, microblogging, and networking. And we have given the website names for different purposes. I think so many are well aware of about YouTube. So in YouTube, we can share videos and you can post the comments while using for image sharing. You can Flickr, Pinterest. We have different uses for different purposes. By using social platforms, we can do many things. We have different websites names, Livestream, Blog Talk Radio, Ustream, Vimeo, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn. Can I tell some with the social media? Can anybody use the social media? Giving a chance to unmute yourself, you can unmute, you can tell the users with social media. మనం సోషల్ మీడియాని యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఎలాంటి ప్రయోజనం పొందుతున్నాము? You can unmute yourself and you can tell the answer. The permission is given to you.
మేడం మనకు తెలియని సమాచారాన్ని నెట్వర్క్ ద్వారా తెలుసుకుంటున్నాం మేడం.
Yes, you are knowing about the information which is not known to you. You can Google it and you can get the information.
And
so, okay,
sharing
Divya,
ideas and
you
thoughts,
can,
ma'am.
Sorry.
Sharing ideas
Anjali,
and thoughts.
please repeat it again. Sharing ideas and thoughts.
Yes.
Could you name the website where you can share your ideas and thoughts? Have you experienced anything?
YouTube.
Yes, YouTube. So you can share your ideas and thoughts by using a video sharing.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Anjali, that's
Hello,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, Kalyan.
I think you are bad. I am your dad.
What is that?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Good morning, madam. If you think you're bad. Good morning, ma'am.
హలో
Just if you
ఎవరు
know
బాబు
the answer.
మ్యామ్ 1 సెకండ్ మ్యామ్ ఎవరు బాబు మాట్లాడింది ఇప్పుడు
కళ్యాణ్ అని చెప్పి
మేడం
please don't talk about the waste things. Okay, if you know the answer, just unmute your mic and please tell. మీకు ఏమైనా అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలని ఉంటే మాత్రమే మీరు మాట్లాడండి. అదర్వైజ్ ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ అన్మ్యూట్ అండ్ డోంట్ రెస్పాండ్. ఓకే. Or otherwise, if you want to respond, please raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Yes, Suresh, do you want to speak?
Yes, madam. Social media are interactive, digitally mediated technologies that facilitates the creation of, sharing, exchange of information ID, madam.
Okay. Sharing information and for the communication purposes. Yes, that's good, Suresh. That's a good answer. Please mute your mic.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you. So Ramu GJC. Yes, you can unmute your mic and you can tell. Ramu, Chandrika. Yes, see, we have different uses. For example, take for the communication purposes. So communication tools, all the most well-known social media tools. So why you are using WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram for different communication purposes. So manam akkada either we are using for personal purpose or for the professional purpose. We are using many tools for the communication purposes and for the collab. Next one is collaboration. Somebody is speaking. So like Wikipedia. Wikipedia enables many people to simultaneously update and view an online encyclopedia. సో వికీపీడియా అని అన్నది మీకు చాలా వరకు తెలిసే ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ గూగుల్ ఇట్. మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గూగుల్లో సర్చ్ చేసినప్పుడు ద ఫస్ట్ సర్చింగ్ టూల్లో మీకు కనిపించేది వికీపీడియా అని వస్తుంది. యూ కెన్ గెట్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ త్రూ ఇట్. మనం ఏదైనా కూడా అందులోని మనం దాన్ని ఆల్టర్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ నో సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ దట్ యూ కెన్ ఆల్టర్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇన్ ద వికీపీడియా and so that it will be visible to each and everyone. So the first one is communication and the second one is collaboration and the third one is reviews and opinions. Suppose if I give a topic, is the social media helpful for the students or not? అది ఒక టాపిక్ ఇచ్చి మనం మాట్లాడినప్పుడు you can give a review or you can give an opinion like some website are there, Quora and Yahoo Answers. మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా ఒక డైలమాలో ఉన్నప్పుడు కూడా you can go and you can pose your question in that website so that you can get different answers from many of the experts. సో మనకి ఏదైనా ఒక గ్రామర్ మీద ఒక డౌట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు or otherwise ఇంకే టాపిక్ లోనైనా ఒక డౌట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు if you want to collect different reviews and opinions from other people, you can go to some sites like Quora and Yahoo Answers. అక్కడ మీరు open-ended questions ని మీరు పోస్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే you can get a lot of information on those questions. And the fourth one is media sharing. So like కొంతమంది చెప్పారు యూట్యూబ్ అండ్ విమియో ఇలాంటప్పుడు మీరు మీడియా షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు like your videos and your pictures. But while sharing, you have to follow all the guidelines. మన పర్సనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అని అన్నది ఎక్కడ మనం షేర్ చేసినా కూడా అది మిస్ప్లేస్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది, మిస్యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో వైల్ షేరింగ్ యువర్ వీడియోస్ ఆర్ వైల్ షేరింగ్ యువర్ ప్రైవేట్ కంటెంట్, ప్లీజ్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ వెన్ యు ఆర్ పోస్టింగ్ సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ద సోషల్ మీడియా. మనము ఏదైనా కూడా ఇప్పుడు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఒక వాట్సాప్ లో కానీ ఫేస్బుక్ లో కానీ షేర్ చేయడం అలవాటు అయిపోయింది. So just please take care while posting the videos. Can anybody tell some of the problems using social media? Social media use చేస్తున్నప్పుడు we'll get some disadvantages also. Could anybody share the disadvantages? Please raise your hand. If you want to speak, I'll unmute you. We have some pros and cons for everything. ప్రతి దానికి కొన్ని పాజిటివ్స్ ఉంటాయి, నెగటివ్స్ ఉంటాయి. So while using social media, we'll face some problems. Could anybody tell? Okay, Gayatri. Yes, you can unmute and you can share.
Madam, there is a lot of disadvantages while using this social media, madam. Madam,
Okay.
go, madam.
Yes, you can speak.
మేడం ఏదైనా సరే మనం యూజ్ చేసే దాంట్లో ఎంత మంచి ఉంటుందో అంతే చెడు కూడా ఉంటుంది మేడం. ద వే వి చూస్, ద వే వాట్ వి చూస్, మనం మంచి ఎంచుకుంటే మంచి మనం నేర్చుకోగలుగుతాం, చెడు ఎంచుకుంటే చెడే నేర్చుకోగలుగుతాము. డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ వైల్ యూజింగ్ సోషల్ మీడియా అంటే మన పర్సనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని చాలా మంది మిస్యూజ్ చేసుకుంటారు, వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫోటోస్ ఆర్ వీడియోస్, అండ్ ఆల్సో మిస్కమ్యూనికేట్ చేస్తారు. గర్ల్స్ అయితే ఇంకా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. దాన్ని పాజిటివ్ గా తీసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, నెగిటివ్ గా తీసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. మన అకౌంట్ ని హ్యాక్ చేయొచ్చు, ఇలా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి మేడం. ఫోన్ ని కూడా హ్యాక్ చేసే అంత టెక్నాలజీ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసింది మేడం. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్ వైల్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ సోషల్ మీడియా.
Yes, that's good.
That's all, madam.
That's all. Okay. Still, anybody wants to speak about the disadvantages of social media? Decrease face-to-face communication skills. Yes, Sunil, that's a perfect answer. So మనం సోషల్ మీడియాలో మనం ఎంతగా మునిగిపోయామనంటే we are losing the skills of face-to-face communication. See here, everyone are wishing us in WhatsApp or Facebook, but only few people are wishing us face-to-face, and few people are talking to us face-to-face. సో మనకి ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ ఇంటరాక్షన్స్ అన్నవి చాలా లో అయిపోయాయి. స్టిల్ ఇంకా ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడాలని అనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ టైప్ యువర్ నేమ్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్. Yes, Sushmita, do you want to speak? Gauri, yes, you can unmute your mic. Yes, Lakshmi. Do you want to speak? Lakshmi, where is Lakshmi? Gauri, please stop your share screen.
Madam, can I, madam?
Just a moment.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Just a moment. Gauri, please stop your share screen. Sir, ఇక్కడ షేర్ స్క్రీన్ ఆప్షన్ ఇక్కడ క్లోజ్ చేస్తారా గౌరీది? నాగబాబు సార్ ఇక్కడ తనది షేర్ స్క్రీన్ ఆప్షన్ క్లోజ్ చేయట్లేదు, ఒకసారి చూస్తారా? గౌరీ Just a moment. I would like to share a video with you. Just a moment. Yes. In the meantime, ఇంకా ఎవరైనా మాట్లాడాలనుకుంటున్నారా ఫర్ ద సెల్ఫ్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్స్? Self introductions. About your self introduction, somebody raise their hand. Please raise your hand if you want to speak. If you want to tell about yourself, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you want to tell about yourself. Ramu. Yes, you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Please raise your hand if you want to speak. If you want to tell about yourself, please raise your hand. Anji, you raised your hand. You can unmute yourself and you can tell.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Very good morning.
My name is Anju, madam.
మీరు ప్రతి లైన్ కి మేడం అని చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. While telling your self introduction, no need to use madam.
My father name is Mr. Anjaneya. My mother name is Mrs. Chennamma. My goal is CBI officer to
You
become.
want to become a CBI officer.
On, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So who is your role model?
Father. Father, ma'am.
Your father is your role model.
On, ma'am.
Okay, Anji. Okay, try to prepare your self introduction. First, mana self introduction, just listen to another person. I'll unmute them and please listen to the self introduction. వాళ్ళ self introduction విని మీరు దాన్ని బట్టి మీరు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. See everybody sharing their screen. Please GJC MKPM, please stop your share screen. Please stop your share screen. Okay, Monica, please unmute yourself and please tell about yourself. Yes, Monica, please tell me about yourself. Monica.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good morning.
My name is Red Monica. My father name is A. Chandraya. My mother name is Shranamma. My goal is
okay.
Teacher.
You want to become a teacher?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, who is your role model?
Mother, madam.
So, you should say, my mother is my role model. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, thank you, Monica. You can mute your mic. See, నేను మీకు ఒక వీడియో చూపిస్తున్నాను. From that, learn English. Okay, it's an example for how to learn English by using English movies, by listening or watching English movies. మనం ప్రతి ఒక్కటి చూసే దగ్గర నుంచి ప్రతి ఒక్కటి మనం నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. Just let us give a trial by seeing this video clip. Just a moment. Yes. I think the network, there is a slow network.
Are you bringing it to the game?
Yeah, I don't want to leave it. And maybe we're going to the game.
Where are we going now?
See.
Are you bringing it to the game?
Yeah, I don't want to leave it. And maybe we're going to the game.
Where are we going now?
To see someone about my job.
I don't understand.
You don't understand what?
Are we going to the game?
I said possibly we're going to the game. You know what possibly means?
Like probably?
No, probably means there's a good chance that we're going. Possibly means we might not. What does probably mean?
It means we have a good chance.
And what does possibly mean?
I know what it means.
What does it mean?
It means that we're not going to the game.
How did you get so smart?
Because you're smart. Are we there?
Yeah.
Mr. Ribbon.
Yes?
How are you, sir? Chris Gardner. Dean Witter.
Oh, hi.
This is my son, Christopher.
Hi.
Hey, Christopher, what are you doing up here?
I came to apologize for missing our appointment the other day.
Oh, you need to come up?
Oh, actually, we were in the neighborhood visiting a very close friend of ours, and I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you for your time. I know you probably waited for me.
A little bit.
I want you to know that I do not take that for granted.
Oh, come on. What's that?
Oh, this is an Osteo National Bone Density Scanner.
Oh.
A company I bought it to prior to going to work at Witter. I have a meeting after the game.
You guys going to the game?
Oh, yeah.
Possibly.
Possibly.
Yeah, we're going to. I'm taking my son, Tim, my 12-year-old. We were just leaving. Tim!
Listen, we'll get out of the way. Again, thank you very much. And I'm sorry about the other day, and I hope we can reschedule for later this week.
You got it.
Thank you very much, sir. You take care. Here. Say bye-bye, Chris.
Bye, Christopher. Hey, you guys want to come with us? Come with us. Where are your seats?
We are upper deck.
We got a box. Come in the box?
No.
Well, it's not actually a box. It's a private section. It's more. You want to go?
Okay, kids in the back. Just put that in your car.